Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Astra theme and the child theme that you're going to need. So in case you need to make any modifications to the theme, those won't get overridden if the theme or the main theme ever has any updates to it, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into WordPress. Obviously, we're already logged in and into the back end, and we're going to dive right into Appearance, and we're going to go right into Themes, okay? Now we already have some basic themes here, and since we are with Nexus, Astra already comes included, but if you needed to download it yourself, you just go to Add New, Upload, and then here in the search section you just search for Astra, and then you can go ahead and activate that. And don't get it mistaken with Astral, which is right here. Very easy to accidentally download the wrong one, okay? So once this is downloaded, you need to add a child theme to ensure that any changes that are made to the theme are not going to get overwritten, okay? And the way to do that is you're going to go ahead and navigate over to the child theme generator, which is at WP Astra child theme generator right here. Now once you get here, it's obviously going to ask you for the name of your child theme. So this is going to be Demo Store, right? Demo Store. And then Advanced Options. Now here you can decide a couple things. If you're a developer or a developer might do this if they're going to add additional code to your child theme, and their, the version, their author, any author URL to go about to find out more about how they built the theme. But then it also allows you to add an image of the theme that you want. Okay, after you do all that, you generate. And then it's just going to go ahead and you'll be able to download it. So we'll just go ahead and download it to the desktop real quick. And then we're going to go back into the back end of WordPress, and we're going to choose file, right? You can choose file, but I'm just going to go ahead and grab it and drag it right in, and then install. And then activate. And as you can see, they look identical. It uses the same picture since I didn't add one, but this is the child theme now that's been activated, and the main theme here is right next to it. Now you don't ever want to delete the main theme because your child theme is going to use a lot of the files, most of the files that are held within this main theme here. You can delete any other theme that you have in your backend, but you cannot delete the main theme that goes along with your child theme, okay? All right, thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video where I'll show you how to add the WP Astra Pro plugin to give the theme additional functionality.